Click on the link below to get price. The electric dirt bike for adults, featuring a powerful 72V 8500W peak motor, promises an exhilarating ride that combines speed, power, and versatility. Upon first glance, the bike boasts an aggressive design, which is not just for aesthetics, it reflects its robust performance capabilities. Capable of reaching a top speed of 52 miles per hour, this e-motorcycle is built for thrill seekers and off-road enthusiasts alike. Acceleration is impressive, allowing riders to feel the rush as they navigate various terrains. Whether on dirt trails, sandy beaches, or uneven surfaces, the bike's performance is consistent, showcasing excellent torque and responsiveness. The heavy-duty suspension system absorbs shocks effectively, providing a smooth ride even over rough patches. This feature is crucial for riders who want to tackle challenging trails without compromising safety or comfort. Battery life is another highlight. The 72V battery offers a substantial range, allowing for longer rides without the anxiety of sudden power loss. It charges relatively quickly, which is convenient for those who may want to go on extended adventures. Additionally, the regenerative braking system enhances battery efficiency while ensuring a safer stopping experience. The build quality is commendable, with a solid frame designed to withstand the rigors of off-road riding. The tires provide excellent grip, enhancing stability and control, even at higher speeds. However, it's worth noting that the weight of the bike can be a bit cumbersome for those who are less experienced or have difficulty managing larger vehicles. In terms of user-friendly features, the digital display provides essential information like speed, battery level, and riding mode, allowing riders to stay informed during their journey. Overall, the electric dirt bike for adults is an impressive combination of speed, durability, and innovative technology, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking an exhilarating electric riding experience. It is perfect for adults looking to embrace the freedom of off-road adventures with the benefits of modern electric bike technology.